GATE 2017 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 54. The radius of relative stiffness of the rigid pavements P and Q are denoted by LP and LQ respectively. The geometric and material properties of the concrete slab and the underlying soil are given below. The ratio of LP is to LQ needs to be found up to 1 decimal place. The relevant NPTEL reference has been mentioned. Coming to the useful data, in the design of rigid pavements, a common term that occurs is the radius of relative stiffness. It is given by EH cube divided by 12K into 1 minus mu square, this whole raised to the power 1 by 4. Here E is the modulus of elasticity, H is given as the slab thickness, K is the subgrade modulus, and mu is given as the Poisson's ratio of the material. In this case, we have been given two rigid pavements P and Q and their corresponding properties are mentioned. So we need to find the ratio of the radius of relative stiffness for P and Q. Let us call P as 1 and Q as 2. So LP is to LQ would be E1 H1 cube divided by 12K1 1 minus mu1 whole square, and since Q is in the denominator, this would become 12K2 1 minus mu2 whole square divided by E2 H2 cube. Here we can see that the modulus of elasticity is same for both the pavements, so E1 would get cancelled out by E2. Similarly, the Poisson's ratio is also the same, so 1 minus mu1 square would get cancelled out by 1 minus mu2 square. And this whole term would also be raised to the power 1 by 4 as per the formula. We would end up with H1 cube divided by H2 cube into K2 by K1 whole raised to the power 1 by 4. We can see that H1 by H2 would be equal to 2, as H1 is H and H2 is 0.5 H. So this would become 2 cube, and K2 by K1 would turn out to be 2, as K1 is K and K2 is 2K. The ratio of the radius of relative stiffness of LP to LQ would finally turn out to be 2. So the ratio of the radius of relative stiffness for the pavements P and Q was found out as 2. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.